Good afternoon, my friends. Happy day to all of you. So, friends, there's a big Social Security update. Many Americans are currently eligible to receive up to $10,000 in crisis relief assistance, and the Social Security Administration is working on making huge changes to monthly benefits. And this includes a monthly benefit increase worth almost $200. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video, especially if you are an SSI beneficiary. To say thank you for watching, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning these giveaways.
So if you look at the targeted student loan forgiveness, that the announcement that you heard from the Department of Education and the President, it's popular amongst American people. 3 recent polls show that the President's proposal, the $10,000 forgiven, is supported by a majority of Americans. A couple of polls. The Morning Consult political poll in June among 2,006 registered voters found 51% support for giving $10,000. NPR, a survey of 1,022 adults conducted last month, found 55% of respondents back the cancellation of up to $10,000. The Economist YouGov survey of 1,500 adults in July found 51% of Americans are in favor of that threshold. So the majority of Americans approve of this targeted approach that you heard from this administration, and I think that
Social Security benefits can make or break retirement for many older adults. Millions of seniors rely on their monthly checks to pay their bills. And for some retirees, Social Security is their sole source of income. For those living on a fixed income, surging inflation over the past year has made retirement more challenging. Fortunately, seniors could be due for a historic raise in 2023. Nearly every year, seniors on Social Security will receive a cost of living adjustment, also known as COLA. This is an annual bump in benefits designed to help your monthly checks maintain their buying power, as inflation naturally rises over time. When inflation is rising faster than average, the retirees can expect larger COLAs. In general, an average COLA will fall around 2% to 4% per year. This year, seniors received a whopping 5.9% COLA as inflation began to surge. And in 2023, the raise is almost guaranteed to be even bigger. Nobody knows exactly what the COLA is for 2023, as the Social Security Administration will not release the official number until October. But a recent report from nonprofit advocacy group, the Senior Citizens League, projects it could be around 9.6% based on the latest inflation data. That number also assumes that inflation will remain relatively stagnant throughout the rest of the year. If inflation increases, the COLA for 2023 could potentially be as high as 10.1%, and this is according to that report. Either way, next year's COLA could be the highest in more than 4 decades. The average retiree collects around $1,670 per month in benefits. If seniors receive a 9.6% COLA in 2023, that will result in a boost of around $160 per month. While this extra money can go a long way towards affording everyday necessities, Social Security is still facing a serious problem. Benefits are quickly losing buying power. Annual COLAs are supposed to help benefits keep up with inflation. Historically, they've missed a mark, and despite these annual COLAs, Social Security has actually lost around 40% of its buying power since the year 2000. Over the past 12 months alone, inflation has surged by 8.5%. Seniors only received a 5.9% COLA for this year, meaning that retirees have still lost a significant amount of buying power despite a massive benefit increase. Social Security is not as reliable as it used to be, and if benefits continue losing buying power, they may be even less dependable in the future. While you can expect to receive larger checks in 2023, it is wise to be as realistic as possible about how far that money will really go. Friends, the key word for this video is Melbourne, Australia. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Melbourne, Australia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. President Biden fulfilled a long-awaited and much-discussed campaign promise, announcing the cancellation of $10,000 in student loan debt for some borrowers. It is a move that's already led to criticism from many Republicans. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell wrote in a statement, "This policy is astonishingly unfair. The relief announcement will impact approximately 43 million borrowers, with 10 million borrowers seeing their full debt load forgiven." President Biden has repeatedly slammed large corporations for paying little or nothing in federal income taxes, something he's attempted to change through proposals to raise the corporate tax rate. Senator Warnock, an advocate for this relief, has wrote in a Twitter post, "Easing student debt will provide long-term benefits for hard-working Georgians of all ages, as well as our economy. I'm grateful President Biden has listened to me and the people of Georgia." Senator Warnock also said that he would keep fighting for additional student relief by tackling issues such as college affordability and the creation of more job workforce programs. However, not all Democrats are in unison on debt cancellation. Representative Chris Pappas of New Hampshire argued that the issue should be left to Congress. He said in a statement, "We all know the cost of higher education is crushing families, and that is why I've supported expanding Pell Grants, affordable community college, and loan forgiveness for those entering vital professions like nursing." But this announcement by President Biden is no way to make policy and sidesteps Congress and our oversight and fiscal responsibilities. Well, my amazing and awesome friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this afternoon. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me every single day and watching my videos. I will be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed afternoon.